The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is here, and it's making waves in the smartphone industry with its incredible features and sleek design. If you're considering upgrading to a new phone, or just curious about what Samsung has to offer this year, you're in the right place. In this blog, we'll dive into the key aspects of the Galaxy S24 FE and what sets it apart from the competition. Design: sleek, modern, and comfortable. One of the first things you'll notice about the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is its stunning design. The phone features a premium build with a sleek glass back and a metal frame, ensuring durability while maintaining a stylish look. It's available in a variety of colors to suit different tastes, from classic blacks to more vibrant options like green and purple. The size of the S24 FE is just right. Not too big, not too small, making it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. The display is edge-to-edge, offering an immersive viewing experience whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media. Display: stunning AMOLED screen. Samsung has always been known for its impressive displays, and the Galaxy S24 FE is no exception. It boasts a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you'll enjoy smoother scrolling, faster response times, and crisp visuals, whether you're watching content or navigating through apps. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is sharp, even in bright sunlight, thanks to its peak brightness levels. Whether you're a content creator or a casual viewer, the Galaxy S24 FE offers a fantastic viewing experience. Performance: powered for the future. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE packs some serious power. With the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and up to 12 GB of RAM, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it, be it multitasking, gaming, or intensive apps. The performance is fast and fluid, with no noticeable lag or slowdowns during regular use. Samsung has also improved the software experience with One UI 6.0, providing a clean and user-friendly interface, along with some useful features like better multitasking, customization options, and smoother transitions. Cameras capture every moment in detail. The camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is another standout feature. It includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, which allows you to take stunning photos with incredible detail and color accuracy. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes, portraits, or low-light shots, the camera performance excels in a variety of conditions. Samsung also offers a range of camera features like Pro Mode, Night Mode, and 8K video recording to help you get the most out of your photography. Selfies are also fantastic thanks to the 12-megapixel front camera, which delivers sharp and natural-looking photos. Battery life: all-day power. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE comes with a 4,500 mAh battery that should easily last you through a full day of moderate use. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or using social media, you won't have to worry about your phone dying on you midday. Plus, with support for fast charging, you can quickly top up your battery when needed. Additionally, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging options are available, so you can charge accessories like your Galaxy Buds or even other smartphones in a pinch. Pricing and availability: Samsung has priced the Galaxy S24 FE competitively, making it an appealing option for those looking for a flagship experience without the flagship price. Whether you choose the base model or opt for extra storage and RAM, You're getting excellent value for the features packed into this device. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a powerful and well-rounded smartphone that ticks all the right boxes. From its stunning display to its powerful performance and top-tier cameras, it offers an incredible experience for users who want a premium device without breaking the bank. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who simply wants a reliable smartphone, the Galaxy S24 FE is definitely worth considering.